Hello, Hot Kitty here. This time I'm going to be showing you how to make colored smoke. First, load in a light prop. Boom. Next, load in a fog prop. Boom. Now, I typically like to move my fog prop a little bit down so the light prop is slightly on top. Just so I can select the top and it will select the light prop instead of the fog prop. Now, you can make these smaller if you want. Mostly it depends on the light prop. So you can make it, different sizes. It doesn't really, it does matter, but at the same time, it doesn't really. Anyhow, so let's turn this one red. Boom. That's really bright. So we can kind of dim it a little bit. And we have red smoke. Now, if you want to make more, just copy it, move it over, select the top, and change your color. Let's make green. And you'll see that the smoke is kind of jumbled up with the other one, so I'm going to move it farther away. Boom. And you got green smoke. Then you can copy again. And change the color again to blue smoke. And this is a really simplified way of making colored smoke. Now, on the other hand, you can make colored waterfalls. So, load your light prop, go over to waterfalls. You can basically use any kind of waterfall you want. I like to flatten them for this effect. You don't have to completely flatten it. Alright. This one, you basically just have to have the light prop sitting in front of the waterfall. Let's turn it red. Now it's red. Of course, you can change the brightness of it. You can change the color of it as well. So move this over and change the light. Make it a greenish color. The closer these lights are to each other, the more they're going to, interfere with each other. So you can make your light sources smaller and just add more of them, but closer. But this is just an easy tutorial, but you can do it like this. And basically you'll copy them all the way through. You'll also copy them lengthwise. Delete this. Boom, 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 boom. And we can drag these over to this waterfall. I'll copy it and drag it over. We can just make this red. And basically doing it this way just makes it so you can have them closer to each other without them actually interfering with each other. A little bit. It's a little bit easier for a little bit more work. That's done. Copy. Okay. That's done. Copy. Now to see the full effect, you gotta reload the room because whenever you copy light sources in 3DX, it kind of splits the light source in half. So reload the room. They are. And you can see that they're not really interfering with each other anymore because we have a bunch of small ones instead of big ones. So those are the two ways that you can add lights to waterfall effects. Yeah.